Ever wondered what makes a room stand out? Let's explore the top interior design styles around the globe. First up, we've got Scandinavian style. Think IKEA. Clean lines, natural light, and a whole lot of coziness. Perfect for those who love minimalism. Next, let's hop over to Japan for some Zen vibes. Japanese style is all about simplicity, natural elements, and a hint of tranquility. It's like a spa day for your home. Now let's get a bit rustic with farmhouse style. Imagine a cozy barn with modern touches. Warm woods, comfy fabrics, and that down-home charm. Heading to the Mediterranean, we find ourselves in the midst of Tuscan elegance. Rich colors, textured walls, and a touch of old-world romance. Bellissimo. Lastly, we can't forget the bold and beautiful Bohemian style. Think vibrant colors, eclectic patterns, and a free-spirited mix of treasures from around the world. Perfect for the adventurous soul. So which style speaks to you? Time to get decorating.